Welcome to Simplified 20, where learning becomes simple. Today's video is about a general format of how to prepare a lesson plan. What are the things you have to mention in a lesson plan, and what are the things you have to keep in mind before preparing a lesson plan? There are many ways to make a lesson plan, but this would be one of the simple way. This topic is common for both first and second year of B.Ed. Let's begin. Mention the lesson plan at the center, top. Also, give some general information like name of the teacher, class which they are going to handle, the duration 30 minutes or 40 minutes, and also the subject they are going to handle, the topic they are going to discuss on that particular day, and also the period. If it is a theme based subject, then the subject name will be the theme name and the topic will be accordingly. For example, if animal is the subject or the theme name, then the subject name will be animal and the topic will be wild animal or pet animal accordingly. If the theme is max, then the subject name will be max and the topic can be addition or subtraction, whatever they are going to handle on that particular day. Next section is the general objectives or general aim. Here we will be mentioning the basic purpose of teaching this subject to the students. What is the use of teaching, and at the end of this lesson plan or at the end of this session, what are the things that they will be interested in or giving importance to. Minimum of 2 to 3 points mentioned in a very positive statement. You can also use these statements like students will be able to understand the concept of, students will develop an interest in. The next section is a specific objective or a particular aim. This section concentrates or focuses on why we are teaching this topic, why we are introducing this topic to the students. At the end of this session, what is the thing that they have learned from the topic. This section also mention it in a positive way with 2 to 3 points and also in a positive manner in this category. Next category is teaching learning material. Whatever material you're going to use with, whether it is a blackboard, whiteboard, or you're going to use a flashcard for teaching this topic, mention it under this category. Next is the most important category called previous knowledge. It is always better to ask questions and judge the students before introducing a new topic so that we will be able to know what is the level of understanding regarding this topic. Whatever questions you will ask them at that time, you can write it in this category and also their answers. Next category is introduction or announcement of topic. Here we will be introducing or announcing to the students what they are going to learn. It is very important because they will have an idea what they are going to learn today. Then comes the presentation. The next category is presentation. I have presented in a tabular manner so it looks good and neat. The first column is serial number, the second column is the subject what you're going to teach, the third column is teaching learning material, whatever you have prepared, mention it here, and the fourth column is activity what you have planned for the students at the end of the session, and also the students' response, what were their response. All the other four columns can be pre-planned while the last column can be filled little later. Recapitulation is the next category. Always it is very important to revise your topic. This will help you to reinforce, or this will help us to understand whether the students have really understood the topic clearly. You can ask questions randomly or give any activity based upon the topic or even do exercises on the blackboard. You have to mention whatever questions you have planned in this category and also their answers. Then comes the remark. If you are a trainee, then the head teacher or a supervisor will write a remark about your class. If you are a teacher by profession, then this category is differently used. Then comes your signature on the left side and the supervisor signature on the right side. So this concludes a simple and a clean format of a lesson plan. For exam purpose, you can write the name, topic, general objective and specific objectives in one sheet, the teaching learning material announcement and introduction in another sheet, presentation, recapitulation, remarks and signature in the third one. Below in the description box, I have given you a link for a model of a lesson plan. This will also guide you and give you a good idea of how to make a simple lesson plan. Hope you understood this topic. Thank you.